size, such as 1 ton, 2 ton, or maybe some others. And after that, we will use the conveyor and our extrusion. This is we have enough because once the machine didn't have the enough the material, it's okay. We will have the knife and we might use. The old system is by the PLC system in the Siemens.
对呀，它到了你超过了冷却，它自己会有降的。
知道的。它有的时候发的太狠了，它降不下来了。
And here is for the calibration table, and we use the hydraulic system to move front and back ground. We place the hydraulic is under the machine's frame, and which can save your factory space. From here, we use a sliding. We have a look. We use a sliding. It's a good gadget. This part you can arrange it to recycle either crushing pulverizer in the mirror machine and mix with our new material again to use. I want to explain to you once again. Here we have 1, 2, 3 lines. If you want to produce a big size, okay, the 2 lines is okay. If you want to work about maybe half is 600, you can put down about the line again in the middle. In the middle, it becomes one side 600, another side 600 also. Here is our core machine, and we use very good quality in the rubber with good knife. The whole machine we need to cut for the big size, okay? You can have a look. This is our also the PLC system in the cutting machine, and our knife here is can choose the 2 way. If you want to produce the small size and the bigger size, you can have a look. Now the panels are pushed down, and our blades are cutting, and they move the section part that is flat. I can use my hands without any problem. Okay. Here we have the sensor, you can have a look. And when the boards will be cutting automatically. So the whole machine is by the floor automatically and without worker inside. Okay, you can have a look. This is our robot is coming. About 8 second handles. 8. And the maximum weight is about 50 kilograms. The thickness is 5 millimeters, and the capacity we can produce about 1,200 pieces per day. That means our capacity in the extruder is about the 9,000 kgs per day. 9,000 kgs per day.